So on Saturday the 6th of August, it's the open day of our allotment site. So if you want to come and have a look around my plot and all the other plots on the site, and there are some amazing plots on our site, then feel free to do that. I'll put the details up so you can see the little poster of all the different things that are going on. My plot is very easy to find. You basically walk through the gate and down the central green drive that is opposite the gate, past the toilet, and you'll see a little sign that says Steve's Seaside Allotment, number 78, and that is my plot. Feel free to come in and have a look round. I will almost certainly be here. Ask me any questions you want. And yeah, and if you want to see Debbie's plot, then you just keep on walking until you see a little sign that says Deb's Seaside Allotment, and look for the flags, because that's the easiest way to spot her plot, and she will also be there, so go take a look around there. Debbie's plot looks absolutely beautiful at this time of year because it's kind of in peak production. My plot is a bit scrappy because it's kind of coming to the end of the summer crops, all being replanted with the autumn crops and all that sort of thing. So it's always in transition, my plot. My plot never looks nice. It always looks like it's like half done. But anyway, it is what it is. It's all about growing food, not about looking pretty. So yeah, 6th of August. That's the Saturday. You have to park on the road. You can't park actually on the site itself. There are quite a few different types of events and things like that. I would love to see you if you're in the local area. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.